Can an EV make it down a dirt road, crossing a creek to a waterfall in rural Arkansas? Let's find out. Right, so we're gonna make our way down from Eureka Springs, which is a lovely little town in Arkansas that you should definitely check out, down to the McElroy State Game Area, or Game Management Area, down to the Glory Bee Waterfall. Now, I understand from Google Maps here that part of the road is unpaved for 1.9 miles, and there might be a couple of geographical obstacles. So I'm going to try to navigate this in the old Ford Mustang Mach-E. We'll see how the EV does. So we made it. We made it to the waterfall. It was such a great spot, and crossing the creek was no problem. It was really nothing more than a glorified puddle, but the beautiful waterfall. The setting was incredible, and we just had a great time. Had a picnic out there, and just what a beautiful setting. I highly recommend it. Glory Bee Waterfall in Arkansas, just south of Eureka.